So you touched on where we were going with the next question, which is the next thing is an expected tier 2 shortage. So just a little bit more about what that really means for Southern Nevada, and then what does it also mean for Arizona and California?
So at a tier 1 shortage, our legal allocation is reduced by 21,000 acre feet. So instead of 300,000 acre feet available to us this year, we have 279,000 acre feet available to us. At a tier 2, that cut goes from 21 to 25. So our legal entitlement would be reduced to 275,000 acre feet. But to put that in context, last year we used 242,000 acre feet. So even at a tier 2 shortage, we're still in pretty good shape from a water resource perspective, but the more concerning thing is the rapid rate of the decline of Lake Mead.
So under a tier 2 shortage, it gets a little bit more complicated because as we get deeper into shortage, our reductions increase, as do Arizona's. So at the beginning of a tier 2 shortage, Arizona would go from taking a reduction of 512,000 acre feet that they took in this year, 2022, up to 592 to 640,000 acre feet of shortage, depending upon how low Lake Mead's elevation falls. If Lake Mead does fall below 1045 to begin the year, then California will begin participating in shortages. Their contribution starts at 200,000 acre feet, and for every 5 feet that Lake Mead drops, their response has to increase by 50,000 acre feet per year.
So why does California not take cuts any sooner?
Well, Colby mentioned that California doesn't take cuts above 1045, and the reason for that is after having lost the Arizona versus California decision at the Supreme Court, California knew that Arizona could be leveraged for the construction of the Central Arizona project. So they leveraged them by saying, look, we will have Congress fund the construction of that project, provided that you take a junior position to all of the present perfected rights in California. So the CAP allocation goes to zero legally before California takes any kind of cut. So to get California to actually contribute something to the DCP was quite a challenge, and it was a big step for the basin states in the lower basin to make happen.